slip on the trip. Don't slip on the trip.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. Every year, the beginning of October, I'm always like, I don't want to do anything for my birthday. You know, it's not that big of a deal. And every year, 2 weeks before my birthday, then all these plans come up and I'm like, girl, like, you said you didn't want to do anything. I feel like every other year it's just been like, oh, I have to celebrate 22, I have to celebrate 24, I have to celebrate 25, oh, 26. I am turning 27 this year and I could not care less about my birthday, honestly. I just feel like I've celebrated every other year. I've always done something, and now I'm kind of just thinking of a more relaxed birthday, you know, kind of. To do, like, honestly, if I can just be in bikinis on an island for my birthday by the water, we're good to go. I had a great birthday with a little mojito and a strawberry daiquiri. Girl, cute little bikinis. So guys, those are the plans that I think I want to have for my birthday this year. This video is sponsored by Icon Swim. They sent me over some bikinis. I have a huge bag of bikinis, and you know, I love having bikinis on deck because, you know, my life likes to throw in a little razzle dazzles every now and then, a little razzle dazzle trip here, a little razzle dazzle trip there, and I just will be on an island. You guys, I mean, we know this about me already. So let me show you guys some of the new bikinis that I have on deck because, you know, in my life, I will go on a trip now, okay? If I don't do anything, I'm gonna go on a trip and I need to have bikinis on deck. So I literally like to always have some bikinis that I can go in my closet and throw in the suitcase. Got to love that. So they sent me over a huge, like, y'all, hold on. Let me see. That's not it. They want me to go on vacation for the whole month, don't they? My favorite thing about Icon Swim is they don't have boring swimsuits. Like, all the swimsuits are really cute, cutouts, colors that are super cute. So this first piece right here is a one piece and it looks like this. I love the color. So it's like purple, pink, yellow, black, and blue. And then the middle of it here has like gold hardware. So, and the back, all of the back is out. You know, I love me a good one-piece swimsuit. Like, it just looks really good. The next swimsuit I got is gold. I do not have just a gold bikini, so I had to get one. Now, these bottoms are super, super, super cheeky. Super cheeky, and I love it oh so much. I really like the gold because you can pair this with a cute cover-up. If you guys didn't know, orange is my childhood favorite color, and I absolutely love this color still to this day. This bikini right here has gold chains as the straps that hook around. Looks like this, and then the bottoms have gold chains. This is cheeky bottoms, so Icon Swim makes swimwear for us girls that want to be sexy and be cute on the beach. Be real sexy and cheeky and show the cheeks, you know, you're on vacation, get a little tan. So this next swimsuit is a one piece. This one is in yellow. It looks like this. And it ties in the middle. I just really love a good one piece, honestly, because I like to actually have fun in the water. Like, I want to jump off the boat. I really want to go jump off the cliff into the water. So a lot of times when I go on vacation, I'm trying to do my hair in a way that I can literally have fun, get on the jet skis, fall off, do all of that. And sometimes with the little mini like bikinis, I don't know, I just feel like you just be a whole lot naked and it's the maneuver, and I'm like, sometimes you need something that got a fuller bottom to cover your butt. Ooh, I love this color. It's like red and orange. So this is a one piece, and their one pieces are so sexy. So it's a one piece, but it is almost like a bikini because it really just is attached with one little string. But this is what this one looks like. I love this color. This color is really nice, and then this is kind of how it looks on. Love, love, love it. So who doesn't think a red bikini is sexy? I got this one, And this is what the top looks like there, but cheeky at the bottom. I think this one's super cute. Okay, this one is giving birthday girl. Okay, so, oh, and it's a thong. So it's in this lavender color, which is so pretty, and it has rhinestones on the front. And like I said, it is a thong. It's giving birthday girl. And then this is what the top looks like. Birthday bikini. Next, I got another purple bikini. This one is a deeper purple, but plain. And it is cheeky, not thong. And the difference between cheeky and thong, of course, thong is all your cheeks out. And cheeky is like still having like a slither of something on your butt. Like, it's like, I'm not ready for thong. Like, thong is like, ooh, too much. And some people are like, cheeky though. Like, I can do a like little cheek. But they're very close to each other. And this top just looks like this, a triangle top. Now with this one, I got a cover up to go with this. Ooh, this is the cover up right here. I thought it was super cute. It's a long dress and then it's cut out on the side. So your whole side will be cut out, and then I can put this bikini under it. Super cute, could go exploring on the island, during, you know, just being out, and then you can get in the pool. So I love this one. This next cover up looks like this, and it is mesh. So it's in the same style as the purple one that I showed you guys, with the one big side cut out, goes down to the floor. I do believe it's a bikini that matches this. Let me see. It has to be. I think I remember it. This one piece goes with this cover up. And this does have one side cut out on the one piece, and then this does too. So super cute. Now this next piece is a cover up, and it is in this like watercolor type of print. Now what I love about the cover ups on Icon Swim is that they go all the way to the floor, and yeah, I just like the all the way to the floor type of cover up. So I think you can pair this with any plain, like it just has so many colors in it. I can pair it with a yellow bikini, I can pair it with a pink, blue. So I like having cover ups because when walking around, I do like to be covered up, especially since a lot of the bikinis that I wear are like the thong. You know, sometimes I am a little shy. I know it might not seem like that, but sometimes I am. I literally have 10 minutes to my team meeting, so let me just show you guys some more.
On your calendar, Team Jayla weekly meeting starts in 10 minutes.
Okay, I asked them for 10 more minutes so I can show you guys bikinis. The next bikini that I have to show you is a one piece, and it goes like this, and then it hooks with one little piece right here to the bottoms. So it's this one piece, and then I found this super cute cover up that I wanted to wear with it. This is what the cover up looks like. It's just a cover up dress. So I was like, okay, I can wear this bikini and then put this cover up on top. Super cute, loved this. This next swimsuit is a full one piece. All the other one piece were like really heavily cut out, but this one is a full type of one piece. It has one cut out on the stomach. It has a white strap that goes across the front, and it is one shoulder. So really cute. Now I did get a yellow cover up, and this yellow cover up is a long dress, and it has mesh on the side. Can you guys see this? It's mesh on the side, so a one piece dress, like kind of maxi dress, but the mesh is on the side. That is super cute. And it's like a racer back. So the top is a racer back, mesh going down one side, and it's long. Love it. Okay, another yellow bikini, except this has a color block or pop of pink. These are what the bottoms look like. And this is what the top looks like. Oh, the top is super cute. Okay, let me see if I can show you guys what the top looks like. The top looks like this. Super cute. I love the cross. So it like crosses like this, and then it goes on your boobs down. I love that. And then the bottoms have that pop of pink on them. Love. Another one piece bikini, but I am in love with this. This is like definitely covers you up. Your sides are not out. Your back is out a little bit, but it's kind of like a twist in the front. Just a little twist, zips up in the back. I really like this. This is more so like family appropriate, you know, you need family appropriate swimwear, okay? All of them cannot be so cheeky, because what if you're around people that you want to be more covered up? This is a orange thong or cheeky. This is a orange cheeky bikini with a triangle top, and it also came with a skirt. This is the orange skirt that you can wear with it. I love cover-ups, okay? If I'm wearing a bikini, I'm gonna bring a matching cover-up. So I love that you can shop on Icon Swim cover-ups as well. And the last bikini that I got looks like this. It's in this tiger print, and I just really like the print. I like the orange and the black. I thought that looked really good together. And the top looks like this, and this could go with like a black cover-up, black skirt, black anything. Really like that this bikini just looked like kind of like a tiger. So guys, these are all the new bikinis that I got. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite and that I should save for my birthday. I'm definitely thinking the gold, and then I'm definitely thinking like the lavender with the like rhinestones on it. I think that's super cute, but it's so many to choose from. Please help me pick which ones I should save for my birthday trip. All right guys, so I'm now about to fold up all of these bikinis so like I can get them organized and off the floor. And I'm about to hop on my team meeting right now with my team. Oh, and you know, I can definitely mix and match with so many of these. And then the existing ones in my closet, girl, I don't need to buy another bikini. For real, for real.
Hey.
Hey, Brianna.
Hey, Jayla. How are you?
Alrighty, guys. The team meeting is over. What I need to do right now is go to Target and then maybe Party City to see about little accessories to go with my Savage X Fenty Halloween costumes. So I think I'm about to switch out of this outfit, put on something comfy. As you guys can see, it's been gloomy all week. Oh my goodness, gloomy all week. So yeah, and you know, the weather's chilling off now that the sun isn't out. So I'm gonna put on something. We're gonna head to Target and then head to Party City to see if we can find some like Halloween type of stuff. I did have lunch. I had tacos. Me loves my tacos. Okay, so I had tacos. I did take out some steak for tonight. While I'm at Target, I want to get something to make some type of dessert, like sweet potato pie tonight, or something, a little bit of something. I don't know what it is, but a little bit of something. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm done with my first bottle of water. I've been needing to drink more water lately. Like, I know when the weather starts getting cooler, like your lips are more dry and stuff, so I've been needing to drink more water. So I'm probably going to take out another water to finish, because I need to do better. Okay, I need to do better. Made it back from Target, and of course I got unnecessary stuff like pajamas, because they had some really cute pajamas in the pajama section that I'm gonna get comfy and put on. But I need to get dinner going. I took me out a ribeye, seasoned up. I'm going to actually make it in the oven today. So I'm gonna do potatoes, broccoli, might do rice instead of potatoes, but I'm gonna go ahead and get the steak going. Steak goes in the oven. I'm actually really hungry right now. I'm actually really hungry right now, so I don't even know if I'm making that for, like, prepping that for tomorrow, because I went out to eat yesterday with my homegirl Jasmine, and we went to a seafood spot, but I got like fish. The only thing is I don't have any more hot sauce in the fridge, so I need to do an Instacart delivery. Anyways, oh, but this, I don't want no Tabasco. They had Tabasco last night, so I didn't even eat my food because I ain't want no Tabasco. I want Texas Pete. But I do have this red hot. I can do that. So I'm about to actually warm this up, and I guess I'm prepping that for my lunch tomorrow, because I'm just hungry right now. I did get some breakfast food. Like, I got yogurt, with some granola that I can make in the morning. I also got blueberry bagels. I think I'm still gonna do an Instacart to get hot sauce and then maybe get some wine delivered. Oh, also, well, I guess I don't have to because I got these little margarita drinks. I got like 4, and then I got, what's the other flavor? I also got some shrimp and stuff. I got this flavor, so I could just pop that into a little drink. I don't have to have wine, I can have a drink. I also, in Target, see, I told you I was picking up just stuff from Target, just picking up stuff. I got cookies to be made with like Netflix and chill, so I got cookies. 'Tis the season. Yeah, cookies with pumpkins on them. And I got chocolate chip too. But okay, so, oh, I had strawberry in the fridge. See, just picking up unnecessary stuff. So I'm about to warm up my fish in the air fryer. Oh, perfect, this is clean. And I guess I'm just making the steak for tomorrow. Y'all, I'm so tired and I just need to clean up my house. Just clean up a little bit and get the stuff off my bed and get comfy. It is 6 o'clock and your girl is in the house for the night. In the house, chilling. I'm gonna order the wine just so it can be stocked at the bar. All right, y'all, I'm in the kitchen just chefing it up. I'm trying to get my cooking skills back, you know? So I did some like beef. Look at me, already ready to eat. I had to take a bite. What I was saying was I need to like sharpen up my cooking skills. So I feel like during the fall time, this is when I cook the most. So I'm definitely gonna be in the kitchen cooking more. I need to do some more meals, some more fall, like comfy, you know, comfort food meals. That's good. So that's what I'm going to be working on and just making more of my faves. So tonight I made some beef with red peppers and onions and then some kale. This is actually called like bouillon because I put some like cubes in it. So it tastes really, really good. And you just boil the kale down. So, and some white rice. So that's what I made tonight with a little bit of gravy. I need to perfect my gravy, honestly. Like, I want to perfect my gravy. My mom makes some good gravy, so maybe I should get the recipe from her because you know she be cooking all the time. I look so sleepy. Like, it looks like I worked all day, but guess what? I worked all freaking day. Like, what the fuck? I woke up at 7 a.m. I was up by 7. I think I was up at 6 a.m. I was up at like 6:30. My hair looks crazy. Pull some to the front, Jayla. Why do I look like a lion? Now I look like a lion? No. But, yeah, I've been working all day, so I'm tired. I'm about to wrap up, get ready for bed, get in the bed. I be waking up around like 6:37 in the morning every morning, and then I work until like 6 or 7, and then I was in the kitchen the rest of the goddamn day. I'm really working 24/7. I go to sleep at 10:16. I'll probably sleep like 11:30. 12 latest, and then I'll wake up at 6:30 in the morning, 7, get up, do my morning routine, get to work again every day. Repeat, 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 repeat. It's 4:15. It is 4:15. That's all I keep saying. It is 4:15. It's time to work. It's time to get together. It's time everything. Pipe it up. Everybody pipe it up. Pipe it up. Step it up a notch. Come on. We got stuff to do. We got stuff to, everybody tired. Everybody tired. Let's do more. Okay, 2022, we can rest, we can go on vacation, but right now it's not vacation time. It's the fall. We in the house. Look, in the house, when I get into bed, my laptop right here, my notebook right here, I am writing down notes, writing down ideas. I have a running to-do list because I like to write stuff down and then put stuff on the computer. Oh, y'all, this is how tired I be. And how distracted I get. I'm supposed to be eating. Harlem. See, Harlem know what time it is. It's time for bed, boobs. He like, girl, it's time to go to sleep. It's time to go to sleep, Harlem. Yep. It's our bedtime. Harlem know. It's what time we go to sleep, right, boobs? It's like, we ain't capping. We be in the bed. We go to sleep. I love you, babe.